Kidnappers don shift their base from Abraka to Asaba Capital Territory. Welcome, country people, to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you notice once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The spate of insecurity for Nigeria as a country, dey grow in alarming proportion every day. For all parts of the country, whether na east, west, north or south, you go hear of one crime or the other, whether na banditry, whether na armed robbery, kidnapping. You go hear one form of vice or the other. Coming to Delta State, the tori now na how kidnappers don relocate their operations from the Abraka community in Ethiopia East local government area of Delta State to Isela-Zagba, Igbuzo, and Okpanam communities for Anyosha North and Oshimili North local government areas for the last 3 days. According to Vanguard online report, e say for wetin appear to be plan to divert the attention of the Delta State government and police from the Abraka community, where recently they kpai some people, and as protests come dey go on, report come say government personnel, military officers dem, they come kpai another person. Now these kidnappers dem, they don kpai 2 persons and abduct 9 others from the 3 communities between Wednesday and Thursday morning. But they released 2 of the 7 when they seize for Isela-Zagba community, make they go raise ransom of 30 million naira for the release of the 5 persons when they carry with them. Governor Sheriff Oborevwori of Delta State, he meet with security experts, traditional rulers, and other stakeholders for the state on Thursday to review the security situation and also to take a position for the rampaging kidnappers when dey lure and with boldness dey lay ambush for the police over the killing of 4 abductors on Wednesday. The governor said the state go use drones, CCTV, and other technology to take detect and engage these kidnappers and other bandits. The hostage takers kpai 2 residents of the Abraka community, according to the Vanguard report. They say these 2 residents so include Marcus Dafe, a media personality among the Abraka protesters, and na him don call on the state government and police to save them from kidnappers on Monday, June 2nd, 48 hours after on Wednesday, June 4th, na dem take a life. The suspected headsmen and kidnappers so they kpai another man, Anthony Kachiko, for the Igbuzo community. They come abduct 7 persons, including one construction site owner, his wife and workers for the Asaba community on Thursday, June 5. One Igbuzo resident for Shimili North local government area who follow the reporters then talk. He say the kidnappers then kpai Anthony Kachiko, aka Dan Caro, for back as he attempt to escape from them. He say he inside the remains when he dey for where they kpai am so. Na so he tell the reporter for phone. One activist, Victor OJ, who be frontline campaigner against kidnappers for the state, he say the disease na im friend. According to am, they shoot my close friend from back for Igbuzo for Shimili North local government area on the 5th of June 2025. Another activist, Harrison Gwamnishu and Victor OJ na two activists dem when e dey the employment of the Delta state government, but they recently turn in their resignation because they say the government no dey pay enough attention to security issues for the state. Na the same Harrison Gwamnishu so na carry out one-man protest over this constant kidnapping. He carry am go government house, Asaba, on Wednesday. And he also confirm, say, Kachiko, they don't buy am, and the kidnappers do am for Igbuzo community. OJ can say, credible information they get. He say the kidnappers can later release 2 of the 7 victims when they abduct for Asaba community. Make them go find money when they go take free the other 5 persons. On Thursday, one vigilante when he dey on rescue mission, the kidnappers kpai am for Okpanam community. According to the tori, the vigilante, when he go bush go cut bamboo, he can't see where they tie up one woman when they kidnap for the area. He can't secretly go back, go protect himself, and to signal for help. The report say the kidnappers, when they see am, they can't shoot am. And the woman, they not can see the woman again for the place where they tie am, as in return with other people to rescue the woman. One lawyer and solar panel installer, they also kidnapped them on Thursday night for Igbuzo community. And the place dey behind Admiralty Drive. When the kidnappers broke enter the house, they grabbed the solar installer and the lawyer who hire am make he come install panels for am. The local government chairman, Honorable Innocent Ezeweze, he don go visit the families of those when they kpai. He dey condole them, say make they take out. And because of that one, they don put curfew for Igbuzo to stop court-related violence. He can reaffirm, say the council dey committed to Governor Oborewori directive to safeguard people and property. And he say that they invest already for surveillance technology, make they take enhance response and intelligence gathering for the area. Country people, when I see the daring mode when the kidnapping don dey take for these Delta communities, so e not just dey enough to talk about surveillance, but now to implement a quick plan of action. Because this one, when they don't, they go people house, they go abduct them. It dey very scary, and it don't put fear for the mind of the citizens and the residents of the state. Government need to act fast to curb these excesses. How una see this development?